Understanding oven temperature, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, oven temperature. Understanding this phrase is not only important for cooking enthusiasts but also for anyone looking to enhance their English vocabulary. Let's dive into the world of culinary terms and unravel the meaning and usage of oven temperature. Oven temperature refers to the specific level of heat inside an oven. It's a crucial concept in cooking and baking, as different foods require different temperatures to cook properly. The temperature is usually set and controlled using a knob or digital controls on the oven. In recipes, you'll often find instructions like, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or bake at 180 degrees Celsius. Understanding this term helps in accurately following cooking instructions. There are two main units of measurement for oven temperature: Fahrenheit, degree F, and Celsius, degree C. In the United States, Fahrenheit is commonly used, while Celsius is the standard in most other parts of the world. For example, 350 degrees Fahrenheit roughly equals 177 degrees Celsius. It's important for language learners to be aware of these conversions, especially when following international recipes. You might encounter phrases like, preheat the oven, turn down the oven, or oven temperature too high, low. These phrases indicate actions or observations related to oven temperature. For example, preheat the oven. Heat the oven to a specific temperature before cooking. Turn down the oven. Reduce the oven's temperature. Oven temperature too high, low indicates that the oven's temperature needs adjustment for optimal cooking. When you come across a recipe, look for clues about oven temperature, such as numbers followed by degree F or degree C, indicates the specific temperature. Terms like low heat, medium heat, or high heat, general guidelines for setting the oven temperature. Understanding these terms helps in accurately following recipes and improving cooking results. That's all about oven temperature. We hope this video has helped clarify this commonly used culinary term in the English language. Remember, cooking is an art, and understanding these terms is a step towards becoming a better chef and English speaker. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in our next video.